Have you ever noticed certain numbers following you everywhere, on clocks, receipts, license plates, or even in dreams? What if I told you these numbers are not coincidences, but messages from the universe guiding your destiny? Welcome to Sheer Knowledge TV. Today, we'll unlock the ancient wisdom of numerology and reveal how your birth date and name hold the blueprint of your life purpose. Numerology is the ancient study of numbers and their vibrational meanings. It believes every number carries energy, a frequency that shapes who we are and what we attract. From ancient Egypt to Pythagoras in Greece to Indian and Chaldean systems, numerology has been used for thousands of years to understand destiny, personality, and life cycles. Let's begin decoding your numerological chart, step by step, starting with the most important number of all, your life path number. Your life path number is derived from your date of birth and reveals your life's mission, your natural traits, strengths, and challenges. For example, if you were born on July 12, 1992, you de-add all the digits. 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2 equals 31. Then you reduce it to a single digit. 3 plus 1 equals 4. You'd real life path 4, the builder, the planner, the one who turns ideas into structure and stability. Let us look at what each life path number means. Number 1 is the leader, independent, ambitious, born to start new things. Number 2 is the peacemaker, diplomatic, gentle, and cooperative. Number 3 is the creator, expressive, artistic, and joyful. Number 4 is the builder, practical, disciplined, and reliable. Number 5 is the explorer, adventurous, loves freedom and change. Number 6 is the nurturer, caring, family-oriented, and responsible. Number 7 is the seeker, spiritual, analytical, and introspective. Number 8 is the achiever, powerful, ambitious, and success-driven. And number 9 is the humanitarian, compassionate, wise, and giving. Which number are you? Comment your birth date below and let's see what your number reveals. Your name also holds powerful vibrations. In numerology, every letter corresponds to a number, from A equals 1, B equals 2, all the way to I equals 9. Then it repeats. Add up the numbers in your full name and reduce it to a single digit. That's your expression or destiny number. For example, the name John, J is 1, O is 6, H is 8, N is 5. That adds up to 20, which reduces to 2. John carries the vibration of peace, balance, and partnership. Your name number reveals how others see you, your external energy, and how you express your talents in the world. Ever keep seeing repeating numbers like 111, 222, or 333? These are angel numbers, spiritual signs that the universe is communicating with you. 111 means manifestation. Your thoughts are turning into reality, so stay positive. 2 represents balance, trust divine timing. Everything is aligning. 333 signals support, ascended masters and angels are guiding you. 444 is for protection. You're safe, protected, and on the right path. And 555 indicates change. Major transformations are coming. Next time you see these numbers, pause. The universe might be sending you a message of encouragement. Numerology doesn't just explain who you are, it also shows what cycle you're in each year. To find your personal year number, add your birthday and month to the current year. For example, if you're born on June 15th for the year 2026, you would add 1 plus 5 for the day, plus 6 for the month, plus 2 plus 0, plus 2 plus 6 for the year. This equals 22, which reduces to 4. That means 2026 is your personal year 4, a time for hard work, structure, and building foundations. But globally, 2026 is a universal year 1, because 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6 equals 10, which reduces to 1. This means a year of new beginnings, leadership, and planting seeds for the next 9-year cycle. It's perfect for launching projects, starting businesses, or embracing new opportunities. Numbers are more than digits. They're the divine fingerprints of the universe. When you understand your life path, name, number, and yearly energy, you align with your higher purpose. So take a moment tonight. Calculate your numbers, reflect on your path, and listen to what the universe is whispering through the power of numerology. If this video opened your mind, hit subscribe, share it with your friends, and comment your life path number below. I might just decode it in the next video. Until next time, keep seeking, keep growing, and remember, the universe speaks in numbers. Are you listening?